Did you know one head of romaine lettuce provides 20 ounces of water, nicknamed crunchy water? Romaine lettuce is native to the Mediterranean and the Middle East, growing since ancient times for at least 5,000 years. Originally considered a weed, it is now the main ingredient in Caesar salad. Romaine lettuce is medium to large in size with an elongated shape and stiff, upright leaves. The outer leaves are dark green with prominent white central rib, and as the leaves grow smaller in the center, they become paler in color, almost fading to white. Romaine lettuce is crisp, succulent, and crunchy with a mild, slightly bitter taste. Lettuce benefits from having most vegetables near it. Chives and garlic in particular are good neighbors because they naturally repel aphids, a common problem for lettuce. Similarly, marigolds, one of the big powerhouses of pest repellers, can be planted near lettuce to help keep bugs away too. Romaine lettuce is an excellent source of dietary fiber, vitamins A, C, and K, thiamine, folate, iron, potassium, manganese. It is also a good source of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and copper.